Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video, I will try to discuss about the jobs that I have posted and how to apply the jobs. So basically, the first job is Java Pudding 9598. Intercontinental Exchange Company is hiring for senior full stack developer at Hyderabad location. You can apply to this job using this link. So let me open this link. So basically, if you see when I click on the link, it is redirecting me to the company career website. That means whatever the jobs I am posting or pull from the company career website itself. So we have put a lot of efforts to pull those jobs, guys. So we would like you to take the advantage of the efforts that we are keeping into pull the jobs. Yeah, keeping that aside. Careerya job opening 9597. Eclipse company is hiring for associated process manager at Pune, Maharashtra, India. You can apply to this job using this link. Careerya job opening 9596. Eclex company is hiring for process manager at Pune, Maharashtra. You can apply to the job using this link. Job opening 9595. Novartis company is hiring for senior principal biostatistician at Hyderabad location. You can apply to this job using this link. Next job opening 9594. Samsung Electronics company is hiring for graphics driver development engineer at SSIR Goldstone, Bangalore location. You can apply to the job using this link. Next job opening 9593. Visa company is hiring for software engineer backend. This is for 2023 2024 passed outs at Bangalore location. You can apply to this job using this link. Job opening 9591. Room company is hiring for senior air security engineer detection at remote location in India. You can apply to the job using this link. Job opening 9590. Visa company is hiring for senior software engineer with 3 to 5 years of experience in ORMB development. You can apply to this job using this link. Basically, this job is in Bangalore location. Know what this company is hiring for regional business manager at West Bengal location. You can apply to this job using this link. Job opening 9588. Angora company is hiring for data management roles at India. You can apply to the job using this link. So that's it, guys. So I have been posting jobs for every 5 minutes. So I recommend you follow my profile. Trakaske, I would be sharing the link in the description so you can get the jobs information frequently. So if you see, I have posted more than 9,500 jobs in the span of last 2 months. All are verified by me. So I would like you to take advantage of my efforts and apply for those genuine jobs. And do not forget to subscribe my channel for more job related information videos. Thank you and have a great day.